On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Okay, so now we have both the chilies and the garlic in the food processor, and let's just break those down. Okay, it looks like they're good. We might want them a little bit smaller, so what I'm going to do is let me just put these down. Because this is going to be in the salad and people are going to be eating this, so you don't want big chunks of garlic and chilies in there. So I'm going to run it again. Okay, that should be good. Yep, they're smaller. They're good. So let's just put these off into the bowl. So these out. So then what we're gonna do is add the lime, the fish sauce, and the sugar to this. So this will be the dressing.